Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching. As you may or may not have noticed, today I woke up feeling like death warmed up, and I just got myself something to warm to drink to make me feel better, and I decided to show you guys how I just put myself together so that it didn't look as bad as I felt. So what I'm doing here is I'm just tying my hair back and getting it out of the way before going in with my LA Girl Pro BB cream, and I'm applying it all over my face. And why I decided to go for my BB cream is because it's pretty lightweight. I didn't want anything with too full coverage. I just wanted it to even out the bit of redness I get in my face when I'm sick. So that's what I'm doing there. And I'm just using my fingers to spread it on my face because why not? And then I'm using my beauty blender to smooth it out and blend it down my neck. And I didn't even wet my beauty blender. It was still a little wet from yesterday and it got the job done. So whatever. I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer stick and I'm going to be applying it on my eyelids. This is just to brighten up that area and make me look more awake and more alive. And I'm just going to use a beauty blender to blend that out. I'm picking up this concealer brush and I'm applying the concealer in the inner corners of my eyes and on the first third of my under eye area. This just makes me look brighter and more awake without it being too obvious that I'm trying to conceal something. This just looks a little bit more natural, so this is what I decided to do today. So after that, I am going to just use a beauty blender again to make sure everything looks natural, and the beauty blender is best for when you're lazy. I'm using this translucent powder and I'm just using a highlighter brush because I recently cleaned my brushes and it doesn't have highlighter on, and I'm just setting all the problem areas. So I'm setting my under eyes to make sure there isn't any creasing, and then above my eyebrows where I usually get shiny, and then around my nose because I'm going to be blowing my nose a lot. Now I'm just picking up the skin colored highlight with my highlight brush and I'm going to be brushing it all over my eyelids. This just creates a really light layer of brightness and it adds to the whole looking more awake and more alive effect, and it's really no effort whatsoever, so that's what I'm doing there. And because highlight makes me feel cute, I'm going to apply some highlight all over my face, but first I just smoothed out the highlighter on my eyelid a bit to make it look, I don't know, a little better. I just use my fingers for that because again, why not? And the next thing I'm going to do with my eyes is I picked up this Palladio bronzer and this flat fluffy brush and I'm blending it in my crease, and of course I picked up the most chalky product I own to do this with, so just use a bronzer color that is not this one because I really don't like working with this one, but the idea is to just darken up your crease a bit and to use the color to just lift your eye a bit with the placement of the shadow. So I'm kind of just placing it in the outer V of my eye and dragging it around the bottom, and then I'm just using a fluffy blending brush to blend it out as much as possible. I want to make it look natural but still have a bit of definition. I don't want anything too harsh, so I'm just going all over my fluffy blending brush. I'm using a bit of mascara just to round it off as usual. I felt this really made me look a lot better and I love using mascara. And then on to my eyeliner. I'm using the silver one by Essence and I'm lining my inner waterline. This will definitely make me look more awake and more alive, and it's going to cover the redness that you see there when you're sick or tired. My eyebrows are just brushed out because as cool as on fleek eyebrows might look, I do not want that stress when I'm tired, so I just brush them out. And for my lips, I'm using this nude colored lip liner and I'm just coloring my lips in. And as you'll see in a moment, a lip liner withstands the drink test. So go for a lip liner, it lasts all day, it looks natural, it's no effort. So for my hair, I just wanted it out of the way. I did straighten it recently, so I wanted to wear it down as well. So I just brushed it out and then I tied up a bit of the top bit so that it would stay out of my face all day and wouldn't bother me. But I can still also have my hair down. Like, I feel better like that. I feel like it draws less attention. I get to like hide in my hair. So that's what I did with my hair. And then I'm just going to get myself a sweater because it is a little cold today and I didn't want to be cold. So after sorting out my hair, that apparently takes really, really long, I put on this wonderful sweater I got from my dad. It's really comfy and cuddly and I love wearing it. And now I'm going to finish drinking my warm drink. It really made me feel better. It made my throat feel better, even though I still feel funny. But it's okay. Life will be better. As long as you look ready to do the day, you can do the day. Anyways, this is how I freshen up on a sick day. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.